Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a username on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings. This is where you'll manage all your personal information and privacy settings within Signal. After tapping your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profile page. At the top of this screen, you'll notice your profile name displayed prominently. Tap on your profile name to proceed further into your account settings. This will open up additional options for customizing your Signal profile. Now, look for the username option and tap on it. This feature is particularly useful because it allows people to contact you on Signal without needing to share your phone number, giving you an extra layer of privacy. It's a great way to keep your personal number private while still being reachable on the platform. Once you're in the username section, you'll see a text field at the top of the screen. Tap on this text field and begin typing your desired username. As you type, Signal will automatically add a set of numbers at the end of your username. This numbering system ensures that everyone can have their preferred username while keeping each one unique across the platform. If you're not satisfied with the numbers that were automatically assigned to your username, you can easily change them. Simply tap next to your username where the numbers appear and you'll be able to adjust them based on your preferred combination. This gives you more control over how your username looks and makes it easier for friends to remember. Once you're happy with both your username and the number combination, navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a Save button there. Tap on Save to finalize your new username. You've now successfully added a username to your Signal account, making it easier to connect with others while maintaining your privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.